Hi everyone, this is Nate at Laser Safety Certification. I just wanted to thank you for visiting us, and hopefully we can figure out whether you're in the right place for the services that we offer. Chances are at some point somebody probably told you that you need laser safety certification or training for lasers that you have in-house and for the operators that you have in-house. And the word OSHA comes up. And if you've ever visited their website, it's just a quagmire of unnavigable specs and regulations and documents. It's really hard to read and it's really hard to digest. The same thing goes for the ANSI standards. They're incredibly long and they're not in a trainable format. They're just not written that way. But luckily for you, we've done the work of going through these standards one by one and transforming them into an easy to read, easy to use online certification course. That's what we do here at lasersafetycertification.com. We offer OSHA and ANSI compliant online same-day laser safety certification. When you search that term, there's a ton of options out there. There's a few companies out there that do really expensive in-person training. It's off-site and they cost thousands of dollars and they're only held a few times a year. And that just doesn't make sense to me, because if you hire on a new employee and they need to be certified, if you have to wait until next quarter to get them certified, you're still at risk for a long period of time of being on the hook for an inspection, an audit, or a fine. So that's why we chose to put our training online so that people can complete laser safety certification the very same day. And then how do you know if the company providing your certification is legit or not? There's a lot of empty about us pages or websites that will just cite a holding company. It's hard to know who you can trust. That's why I wanted to make this video to explain who we are and why we're doing this. My background is in engineering. I have an optics degree, which is basically the study of lenses and lasers for engineering. I worked at a variety of companies in that world, the first of which being defense lasers, specifically helicopter-mounted LiDAR systems. That was super cool. Then I worked for a consumer electronics startup that was making laser projectors. And when I left that company, I went to the Bay Area, to Silicon Valley, to work on autonomous vehicle lasers, specifically LiDAR for self-driving cars. That was super cool as well. I got the idea for providing this service on the first day of my first job because I walked into a conference room for laser safety training that was a hastily put together slide set, but it was being presented by a PhD. And I realized a lot of companies have lasers in-house, but not every company has a PhD on staff. So that's where I got the idea to make laser safety certification online. It took me a while to read through all of the OSHA and ANSI standards and transform them into all the courses that we offer, but now we have a really comprehensive offering. With us, you can get laser safety certified for industrial lasers, material handling lasers, laser welders, laser cutters, engraving, anything industrial. We also offer cosmetic application certification for laser skincare procedures, hair removal, tattoo removal, and we offer healthcare laser safety certification as well for hospitals, private practices, dentistry, even veterinarians. If you work in an industrial manufacturing environment and you need to train your team to safely operate your laser equipment, that's what we're here for. And if you're starting a laser cleaning business and you want to make sure that you're not going to get fined by OSHA for having laser equipment, we've got you covered. If you work in a big hospital that has rented equipment or your own equipment that's changing hands a lot, or if you work in a private practice and you just got a new laser device that you need certification on, we can do that too. We also service a lot of spas and salons that use aesthetic and cosmetic lasers for skincare procedures. And all of our online same-day certification courses are offered in written and video format, depending on your preferred learning style. And the exams are not tricky. They're built in a guided learning style, so it's impossible to fail, and we're not going to charge you again if you don't get 100%. So when you sign up with us, certification is guaranteed. And then we have our kits, which is a physical product in the form of a 3-ring binder and USB drive, which you can think of as compliance in a box. It's everything you need to administer an in-house laser safety program. It's really cost effective if you're at a large organization and you have the time or the human resources to designate a laser safety officer to train as many people as you want. That's a really nice resource as well. If you need something more custom for your compliance solution, you're welcome to give us a call anytime. We have a bunch of really successful partner programs with medium to large size organizations who need a more custom compliance solution. Or if you need bulk discounts, or if you're at a hospital and your billing department needs approval for your purchase, or really anything that you can think of, we can sort that out. We're super creative with our customer support, and we're very agile and can provide anything you can imagine. So again, just want to thank you for stopping by, and if this is the right solution for you, you're welcome to check out our product pages explaining every single course that we offer. And if you have any additional questions, we always answer the phone. Thanks.